home, sweet home. Thy dreams come
true. All right. What's up, guys? We have not filmed much lately because we are running out of time, and it snowed yesterday for a little bit or the day before, and we just have no time. So I'm here with Tommy and Nate, a couple buddies, and we're raising the roof today. We got all, hey, what's up, Nate? What's up, Tommy? We got everything in place right now. So as you can see, we're using these Widowmaker jacks, and we're following that video you can find on YouTube, like it's like hillbilly roof raise or something, and they say it's hillbilly, but it seems pretty ingenious in my opinion. You know, these jacks are gonna press off this board going across the bottom here. We just used a 10-foot board there and then used an 8-foot board at the top, and as you can see, this will crank down and it will lift this board that goes across, and we're jacking up 21 inches. So we're gonna start cutting the hat channel. We got everything taped where we're gonna cut it. We're gonna stagger the cuts. And here's our hat channel that I have made custom. I think it was only like $200. It's 14 gauge. It's galvanized steel. We need to get down to business. All right. Shirley filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Close up on the saw.
Get a close up on my saw. Want to do it? Yeah! It definitely moves scary, dude. Nate, don't move. You're gonna fall through the roof. Yeah, guys, that roof is cut. Yeah! The sound of a warrior, boys. That's what I like about corded tools. Careful, don't fall off my bus. It's freeing being up here. I want to put a patio all the way across the top of this. It feels so much cooler up here than down there. I want to build this whole patio. It's going to be sweet. Solar panels, all that jazz. Word up. Tommy's piloting some holes on the hat channel, so when we're all ready to go, we just have to lay down some adhesive and then add bolts and nuts to that.